Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in to another video. You guys already know what's up. You guys already know the deal in today's video. As by the title of this video, I'm sure you guys already know, we're going to be interior cleaning the 3. We're going to go ahead, clean it, make it look nice on the inside. And I'm not going to wash the outside of the car today, guys. Keep in mind, because it's going to snow anyway, so I'm not going to wash the outside. This video is strictly interior cleaning of this car, so that's exactly what we're going to do. This video may be pretty short, I don't know, but ever since I bought the car, I haven't cleaned the inside yet, and I've been dying to clean the inside. Let me go ahead and show you guys exactly what it is that I got. So I was gonna use this today, but since we're not washing the outside of the car, obviously we're not doing that today. We do got the Meguiar's interior detailer, so clean up the inside, all the plastics and stuff like that. This will deal with that. Turtle Wax. So Turtle Wax carpet upholstery cleaner. You know what it is. For the leather seats, because we do have leather seats, not cloth seats this time, so I'm gonna do the Mother's leather, rubber, whatever you want to call it, seat cleaners. I love using these. Some people don't, but I like putting them on the car. The blind spot mirrors, I personally love them. A lot of people don't, but I don't know, personal preference, I guess. To top off everything that we are going to be doing, obviously we're going to hit it with the cherry scent. I'm gonna go ahead and do the carpets first, because that's the worst one in my opinion to do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that first. So let me just show y'all the interior right now. Pretty gross right now. You got all this garbage and stuff all up in there, and I don't know, it just looks terrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove these. Oh my god, these are terrible. Look at these. Oh man. Let's take these guys out. Take those little guys out. Here we go. So I just finished vacuuming it and stuff like that. I just didn't show that part because obviously it's not very entertaining. But anyway, that's my favorite part. So without further ado, check that out. Minty. Minty. Spot mirrors on, and top it off with these cherries. I'm probably gonna put 2 in since I have 6, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, put these on, Boom. 1 in. Boom. 2 in right there. Pop one sucker right there. Let's pop the other sucker right there. We got 2. 2, not only 1, but we got 2. As you can see, look at that. Interior looks amazing. Interior is all nice and clean. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll show you guys exactly what it is that I got again, just to make sure that you guys remember. If you guys want to use the same stuff that I used the Turtle Wax multi-purpose cleaner slash carpet cleaner, Meguiar's Ultimate Interior Detailer. Then I used the Mother's Viln Leather Rubber. Then if you want to wash the outside of your car, you can use the Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. Use that after you wash your car. I never did it today because obviously it's going to snow, so that's why I didn't do it. But after you wash your car, just spray it on and then wash it off and then you're good. Here's the 3 that you need for your interior, and for the outside, I'd recommend that one. So there's the 4 beauties right there. That's it. I'm going to wrap up this video because I got other stuff to do today. If you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, for more content, and all that stuff. So remember, at 2,000 followers on Instagram, we're doing another giveaway. So keep in mind for that. Stay tuned for that. And give me suggestions on what you guys would want. How do you guys think the car came out? Do you think the interior did a good job? Let me know in the comments down below again. But until next time, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm Dose of J. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace.